Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to use the Viggle.ai platform in order to animate your photos or create animations from prompts. So you need to go to Viggle.ai, that's their website, and you can download their app here on the App Store for if you have an iPhone, or install an APK or Android. I'm just going to try it on the web for now. And you need to sign in here with Google or with email. I'm going to sign up with email pretty quickly. And once you've signed up here, you'll be asked to upload a character, so an image of a character and an image of a motion, let's say a move or a dance or something like that. So I'm going to go ahead and upload a character that I designed earlier. Okay, upload. And just scroll down here. Okay, this one. And the image is now uploaded. And now if you have a video of a certain motion that you want your character to perform, simply upload it right here, or you can choose from some templates that are available. Let's say, for example, singing and dancing. And I'll just choose this one, confirm. Okay, as you can see, this is the motion that will be performed. Now click on create. And it'll take some time to generate your final video. And after a few minutes, as you can see, your final video is generated. This is a video of your own character that is, or who is performing the move of the video that you chose. So here you can download the video as you want, or you can choose another motion if this motion is not to your liking.